Welcome back to Car Master. Toyota is introducing a new SUV to its lineup, the Crown Signia, which will serve as a crossover companion to the Crown Sedan, replacing the Venza, positioned between the compact RAV4 and the larger three-row Highlander. The Crown Signia promises a blend of luxury and capability. Powering the Crown Signia is a hybrid system comprising a 2.5L, naturally aspirated four-cylinder gasoline engine and 3 electric motors delivering a combined output of 243 horsepower, paired with a standard continuously variable automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. This setup ensures efficient performance and versatility. Although exact fuel economy figures haven't been released by Toyota or the EPA, it's anticipated to achieve around 40 mpg in combined driving, making it notably more fuel efficient than many non-hybrid competitors in the midsize SUV segment. Real-world fuel efficiency will be determined once the vehicle undergo testing inside the Crown. Signia boasts a luxurious cabin akin to its sedan counterpart, featuring premium materials and an elegant dashboard layout. The standard XLE model comes with a combination of cloth, while the limited trim upgrades to leather seats, accommodating up to 5 passengers. The 2-row configuration offers ample space with a sizable cargo area that expands when the rear seats are folded. Technological amenities abound in the Crown Signia, with a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system and a digital gauge cluster standard across all trims. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with various connectivity features like Wi-Fi and over-the-air updates, enhance the driving experience. The limited trim further elevates the audio experience with an 11-speaker JBL stereo system. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is expected to start around $45,000, with the top-tier limited trim reaching up to $52,000, factoring in optional features with its premium features and enhanced capabilities. The Crown Signia competes with mainstream models such as the Honda Passport, Hyundai Santa Fe, and Nissan Murano, offering a compelling option for those seeking a blend of luxury and utility in a midsize SUV. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more information.